Welcome to another episode of Veg Kid Kitchen.
Let's go apple picking.
We're gonna make my mom's famous apple pie. This looks good for apple pie. We found our first. Wait. There's a hole in it. It's ripe. Finally. Put it in the bag. We got it, dragons. I'm a tree. You do not see anything.
Apples!
Time to make pie.
Is that the pie? Apple pie? Huh? Where's the pie? Is that the pie? Do you have pie? Give me the pie! Give me the pie!
Hey, I just made the pie.
Mix 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Next, add in 1/2 cup of chilled vegetable shortening and a tablespoon of ice-cold water and mix together until all of the shortening is covered with flour. Using your hands, mix the shortening into the flour until it looks about the size of a pea. Add ice-cold water by the tablespoon until your dough starts to come together. Roll it into a ball and refrigerate it for at least an hour. Then it's time to roll the dough.
Okay.
You need 4 cups of sliced
Time to
apples.
spin the apple. It's like kind of like an onion ring. Oh my gosh! Boing, boing.
Hey, you're not supposed to eat it yet.
Well, it's delicious.
Break the apples into bite-sized pieces. Melt 1 stick of plant-based butter and get your vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg ready.
Do not share this recipe with anyone else. The secret ingredient is butter.
Pour the butter over your apples and let it sit for a few minutes.
Oh! Look at me! Find a little. I'm gonna put some lemon into this. So I'm gonna squeeze it. If I get to 35 subscribers for the end of this month, I will eat this. I will eat this lemon.
Now add 2/3 cup of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of flour.
1, 2.
Mix it all together. 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Drain all the excess butter from your apples. And don't be afraid to make a mess.
Putting in this secret ingredient.
Can you guess what it is?
You're not allowed to see it.
After you mix the sugar mixture in with the apples, it's time to put it in the pie crust. And now for the best part, you top it with the brown sugar crumble. Bake at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. And enjoy! At Veg Kid Kitchen, we like to pair ours with our favorite dairy-free whipped cream and vanilla ice cream.
Wow! You better like and subscribe. I showed you my secret recipes. Subscribe if you want good cooking videos and high quality content.
good.
Shout out to my new subscribers: Christopher, Claire, Juven 2002, Sandra, Eliza 87, Melissa, Yvonne, Cotton Candy, Sandy, Say It Ain't, and Say It Ain't So.